Okay, I want to talk about something. First of all, US 27 got updated again this port now. So I'll show you that in a minute. But I want to talk about some tower clones. And the first one I want to talk about, somebody actually told me. I won't give any names, but this one right here, and hold on. The other one is in Lancaster. Go away, B&V cam. No one wanted you. Oh, they got update. Okay. And this tower. So these are both clones. And what's crazy is that this one used to have a red and white beacon and the other one used to have a red and white beacon. What are the odds? So yeah, those are clones. Sorry, don't mind my dog in the background. But I also want to show you something. They updated 27. Finally. It's in September of 2025. And hold on. It's effed up. Uh, you can see the dish right there. As you go further and further, look. It looks like a bass drum. Axel, hush. Sorry. Uh, there's the bass drum there that I call it. And yes, it still has this TWR E1DB. So that is what the dish looks like. So yeah. My internet is being super slow for no reason. But yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about. And yeah. So that's it for now. Bye.